Weebly Website Honest Review, watch before using. Links to Weebly are available in the description for your convenience. Weebly is a user-friendly website builder designed primarily for small businesses, entrepreneurs, and individuals who want to establish an online presence without extensive technical skills. The platform features a straightforward drag-and-drop interface that allows users to easily customize their websites with various elements like text, images, and multimedia. One of Weebly's significant advantages is its responsive themes, which automatically adjust for mobile devices, ensuring your site looks great on any screen size. Weebly also provides robust e-commerce capabilities, making it suitable for those looking to sell products online. You can easily set up an online store, manage inventory, and process payments with integrated tools. Additionally, Weebly's built-in SEO features help improve your site's visibility on search engines, allowing you to attract more visitors. For users focused on blogging or content creation, Weebly supports easy post management and offers customizable layouts to present your articles attractively. The platform is particularly ideal for beginners due to its intuitive setup process and the absence of steep learning curves. However, advanced users may find the customization options somewhat limited compared to competitors like WordPress or Squarespace. Pricing for Weebly is competitive, offering a free plan with basic features and several premium tiers that unlock additional functionalities and remove ads. Overall, if you're looking for an easy-to-use website builder with solid e-commerce and blogging capabilities, Weebly is worth considering. If you found this review helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more honest reviews and insights on the latest website builders. Your support helps us share valuable information to help others make informed decisions. Thank you for watching.